Imagine this. You are running your business smoothly and everything seems fine. Out of nowhere, your bank account gets frozen by a GST officer. Suddenly, you can't pay your employees and your supplier starts chasing you and your entire business comes under pressure. It's not only about money, it's about your reputation too. Stay till the end. I'll take you through the steps which you should follow when your bank account is attached by a GST authority. I'm Pradeep Reddy, a chartered accountant with over 10 years of experience in customs duty, VAT and GST. Over the years, I had the privilege of working with businesses of various sizes, helping them resolve their tax disputes, help them claim refunds, and handle tricky situations like exemptions and classifications. Watch till the end of this video to get a free ebook on how to handle a customs classification dispute. When the GST authorities attach your bank account, they do it under Section 83 of the CGST Act, which allows them to attach a bank account to protect government's revenue. But let's be real. More often than not, the GST authorities use this as an arm twisting tactic to force the businesses to deposit the tax quickly while the legal proceedings are still in progress. So, what should you do when your bank account gets attached? Number one, know when Section 83 can be invoked, which empowers the GST authorities to attach a bank account. Section 83, which empowers the GST authorities to attach a bank account, can be invoked after initiation of proceedings under three specific chapters of the CGST Act. One is Chapter 12, which deals with assessment proceedings. The other one is Chapter 14, which deals with inspection, search and seizure. The final chapter is Chapter 15, which deals with demands and recovery. Basically, the scope is very wide. Your bank account can be attached for a simple reason like non-filing of GST return or claiming excess ITC in your 3B than the same appearing in your GSTR 2B, or for a complex reason like a tax fraud or tax evasion. Number 2. Understand the power of the GST authority under Section 83. Section 83 empowers the GST Commissioner to attach any property including your bank account. Once the GST Commissioner decides to attach your property under Section 83, then he has to pass an order in Form DRC-22. Basically, this form contains instructions to your bank not allowing you to undertake transactions through your bank account. Since this is a provisional attachment and it is an extraordinary power given to the GST authority, no opportunity would be provided to you to represent your case before your bank account gets attached. Number 3. Challenge unjust attachments. If you think your bank account has been attached unfairly, then file an objection in Form DRC-22A and request for release of your bank account. In case your objections in Form DRC-22A gets accepted, then the Commissioner should communicate to the bank allowing the release of your bank account. If they don't do on time, please follow up with them aggressively. Where your objections in Form DRC-22A are not accepted and you think that the attachment is arbitrarily done, then you can explore the option of approaching your jurisdictional High Court for relief. In such cases, the High Courts have come to the rescue of the taxpayers. For example, in the case of Patron Steel rolling mill, the Gujarat High Court has upheld the principle of proportionality in tax recoveries. The facts of the case were the tax demand involved is 1.3 lakhs. The taxpayer has already deposited a tax of 1.7 lakhs. Despite that, the GST authorities went ahead and attached their bank account. In this case, the Gujarat High Court has held that attachment of bank account is incorrect when the tax demanded is much less than the tax already deposited. And the most important point is that your bank account can be attached only if your other movable or immovable properties are not sufficient to protect the government's revenue. While there is a clear CBIC circular to this effect, the adoption of the same on the ground is very less. Therefore, make sure that you raise this point whenever a GST authority proposes to attach your bank account. Number 4. Ensure the timely release of your bank account. As per GST law, the attachment of bank account should elapse after 1 year unless it is released. So therefore, ensure that your bank account gets released immediately after 1 year. If you find this video useful, follow me for more such videos. As promised, You can download the ebook containing step-by-step guide on how to handle a customs classification dispute from the description below and the pinned comment. See you in the next video.